Welcome back. Thank you for clicking today. Today we're doing a project for testing for differences, part 1. So I'm going to pull up our Word document and I'm going to go into shared projects, Bergacre, Stat 215, testing for differences. Remember to check the box, more, and then copy to home, Stat 215, save, Pepper. She hates the mailman. I can't help it. I'm sorry. I'm just going to open this to make sure. Okay, Pepper Dog, stop it. Okay, go back to my Stat 215, open. Alright, we are going to be doing 2 separate hypothesis tests. The first one, we're going to look to see if there is a difference between right and left eye for the eye chart data. So I pasted that in, and I am going to run this. And now my eye chart data is the data name. Oopsie daisies. So that's going to go in here. And now this difference variable you should leave because we are going to make a new variable called difference. So with this mutate function, I'm going into the eye chart data and I'm making a difference variable for the first and second variables difference. So when you look at the Word document, you can see that we want to do right minus left, and I believe that's the capitalization, but let's check real quick. So I chart right and left, and that's the order. So I'm going to do right, and then I'm going to take the second variable out and do left. And then if I run this first line, nothing happens, except you see in the data set a variable difference pops up. And then to do the t-test, you run that second line. So this is the output that you need. Here's your t-test statistic and then the p-value. In your project assignment on Blackboard, let's pull this over here. The first set of questions have to do with the eye contact data, and then starting at question 8, we're going to do exam scores. So here I'm going to make a new set of output. So back to the workbench, and let me grab that code. So this time we want to see if there is a difference between exam 1 and exam 2, and we're doing 1 minus 2 in our ordering. So going back, here we are, and this is the second output, and now this time you can see up here our data is called exams, and I'm going to change all that. Again, I'm creating a new variable, but when I do this, it's going into the exams data set instead of the eye chart data set, and you can see here how it's capitalized. So this, I have exam and then dot 1. And then the other, Hectoliba, push my insert button. And then exam dot 2. And then again, when you run that, you don't see anything except a new variable is created. When you run the t-test is when you get the output that you'll need. So that will help you to answer all of those questions. Make sure that if you need to, you run that names code. And then also, we didn't do it this time, but don't forget to fix your YML header. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.